Toby Number 7 Studios. Season 2, Episode 2, The Great Discovery. One day, at Ellsworth Station, Gordon and Henry were waiting until they could go. They were just chatting, and then the car's whistle blew. "Bye," said Henry. As he went round the bend, he accidentally went onto another siding. Whoa! And then he crashed through millions of cracks, and then crashed at an old race stop. Whoa! I wonder who lives here, said Henry, as he was off to track the passengers. Luckily, there's no passengers in his train. They had all jumped off, and they didn't complain because they thought it was a wonderful ride. Whoa, that was great! Yeah, let's do it again! Do it again! Do it again! Let's just leave him alone. Should we? Yeah. Come on, let's go back to the station. "I'll take you," said Boko. "I can carry passengers inside me." Okay. When Gordon heard about this, he rushed to the rescue. That's silly, Henry. He always gets in trouble. Just don't go fast, Gordon. You might end up like Henry. Oh, how on earth am I gonna end up like Henry? He said. By crashing into scrap. Nonsense. Whoa, that's a lot of scrap. Maybe you're right, driver. There is some scrap. What's up? Hey, look, there's Henry. Boy, you found a great discovery, Henry. Wait until I tell Sir Topham Hatt. Wait, no, don't. Why? He'll scrap me. No, he won't. Then Henry heard a sound. Hello. What's that sound? Said Henry. Hello. Further down the line was a tender that could talk. "Help, I'm a tender, but I was made into an engine several years ago, about 101 years ago." Whoa, boy, you've been here so long, said Henry. "Yes, but I'm gonna get scrapped if Topham Hatt finds out." Said the talking tender. "Wait a minute," said Henry. "That can't be right. Talking tenders don't exist." Whoa! It was only a dream. Oh my goodness. That was only a dream. We went out of his shed to tell everyone else about his dream.